it reminds me of someone very special to me. My player, our MVP, Rene Baterbonia. So, as many of you know, Rene came from Alacobon. His family also struggled. His parents worked hard, but no stable source of income. Ang iyang parents walang permanente na trabaho. They live in a small house, and there were times when ang pagkaon dili usap po sila. Napon siya unong kaigsuon, and every day was a challenge for him. People often ask me, what made Rene different? Or unsa may nakapa-special kay Rene? Talented ba siya na player? Ang akong tubag dili. Athletic ba siya na player? Ang akong tubag dili. Shooter ba siya or dribbler? Ang akong tubag dili. So, for me, what separated Rene from everyone else is something more powerful than talent. He had a dream na siya'y pangandoy. And more importantly, he was willing to sacrifice everything to achieve it. So, his dream wasn't just for himself. His dream was for his family. Nag-uban ni Rene for 2 unforgettable years. Grade 11 o grade 12 niya. Sa first year na nag-uban ni, i-champion ni palarong pambansa, nakuha niya ang MVP. So it was history. For the first time in history, taga Mindanao, i-champion sa basketball boys secondary sa palarong pambansa. So going into his second year, I kept asking myself, kung saan ako pag-motivate kay Rene na nakuha na niya tanan. Ang palarong pambansa MVP, pag-champion sa palarong pambansa, siguro tanan probinsyano na basketball player o itong goal nila. Pero na-realize na ako na dili na ako siya kailangan i-motivate. He answered that question himself. Every practice, every game, every possession, he played even harder than before. So I asked him, Rene, ano motivated man kayo ka? Na nakuha naman mo yung dream. Nakuha na nimo ang pinaka-dream sa tanang probinsyano. Ang iyang tubag sa kuha. Coach, yes, nakuha na nakuha akong dream. Pero gusto na ko maging part po sa akong dream ang akong pamilya. So those words stayed with me. But the conversation I'll never forget happened when June 4, pagatod na ko siya sa Ateneo de Manila. Pagbulag na mo, niingon siya sa kuha, Coach, dili ko muli sa Davao, dili ko muli sa Talupod for 5 years. Kay gusto na ko, pag human ako college, after 5 years, udato ko, maahon na ko akong pamilya sa kahirapan. So those words come from an 18-year-old from Alacobon, a young man with 6 siblings, a small house, parents without permanent jobs. Yet, his mindset was bigger than his circumstances. He never complained. He never looked for excuses. He simply worked. So today, sa tanan nakadungog sa kuha karon, I want everyone here to remember Rene, not just because he won an MVP on the basketball court, but because he was MVP in life. He taught us that talent may open the door, but character, discipline, sacrifice, and purpose will keep that door open. So to every player, every parent, every coach, and every dreamer in Katiil, I leave you one question. What's your excuse? If an 18-year-old kid from Talapobon could dream that big, work that hard, and inspire so many lives, then every one of us is capable of doing more than we think. Dream big, work harder, and never forget where you came from. Daghang salamat.